in the separation tank, the lighter polyethylene floats to the surface, allowing the automated scoops to recover the material while the heavier plastics sink.
Check the pressure on gauge 3.
Looks high. Adjusting the flow now. The flow rate is holding steady now. And the water clarity is excellent.
The humidity reading on line 3 is still fluctuating.
Let's increase the airflow slightly and see if it stabilizes. Flow rate looks optimal on silo 4.
Confirmed. System holding steady at 98% capacity. Keep an eye on the pressure in line 3.
Diverting now. Levels are stable across the board.
The ratio on mixer 3 looks slightly off.
I just adjusted the feed rate. It's stabilizing now.
We have to maintain the temperature just right, or the pellets won't form correctly.
Pressure stable at 20,000 psi.
Flow rate looks good. We have full coverage.
The pressure is stable at 50 psi. The cooling rate is efficient.
Agreed. The condensation confirms the temperature drop.
Readings are optimal. We can maintain the current speed.
The automated finishing station ensures every chair meets the highest standards of quality before packaging.
The deflection on the rear leg is exceeding the tolerance limit at 500 newtons.
Yes, the polymer.
The G-force reading spiked higher than the last run.
We need to adjust the load calibration before signing off on the flexibility test.
In a facility this size, precision is everything. Every movement is tracked in real time to maximize.
Bring the next pallet in tight to the left. We need to fit one more row.
The LA01Q is backing up slightly.
The robot just cleared the blockage. We're back on schedule.
Keep the flow moving. We're already behind schedule. Clear the dock. New shipment coming in. Clear on the right. All right, set it down. Got the net ready.
Bring it right here, easy on the turn.
All right, how high do you want these stacked?
6 high, then grab another cart.
Pass me those scissors, will you?
Here you go. Where does this stack of film go?
Just leave it by the service entrance.
Let's bring the armchair forward just a few inches. Like this. Perfect. And can we get a warmer highlight on the brass table? And if you adjust this lever here, the lumbar support shifts with the recline. Wow, that is incredibly comfortable.
It really is. I think this is the one.
Yeah.
All right, those are secure. Have a great day.
Nice.
Here's your package, ma'am. Thank you for shopping with us. We need immediate pickup at Bay 3.
Roger that. Moving now. Where's the wood pallet going?
Drop it by bin 2.
All right, the total is $450.
Perfect, thank you.
And here is your digital receipt. Have a wonderful day.
This one goes to recycling. Okay, move the broken one to the red bin.
We need to adjust the tension slightly on the third strand.
The consistency looks good, but the color is slightly off.
Structural integrity is good.
Finish is smooth, no defects.
Color consistency matches the spec.
Ensure the blue stacks are diverted to aisle 4. We need that bay cleared by 1600.
We need to reroute the green chairs to aisle 4 immediately.
Confirmed. I'll update the system now.
Here at the distribution center, efficiency is key. Every chair stack is tracked from the warehouse floor directly into the outbound trucks.
Keep that line moving, and we need these chairs cleared by noon. Watch the forklift coming through.
Rotate it just a few degrees counterclockwise, get the light hitting the velvet.
Okay, I see the reflection now.
Much better. Let's adjust the spacing.
This model has adjustable lumbar support, perfect for long hours.
It is very comfortable, like sitting on a cloud.
Does the blue one come in leather?
Your delivery is scheduled for Tuesday.
Hi there, welcome. We can help you right over here.
We can fit the last box right here. Great, I'll grab the straps.
All right, sir, you are all set. Thank you for shopping with us.
From the factory floor to the showroom, advanced logistics ensure our products are available worldwide.